So let's look at the foods that are beneficial. Like when you look at the plant kingdom, what stands out? I know we want to stay away from quote unquote superfoods, but some foods are better than others. Like what should people focus on who are trying to enhance their brain health?
Yeah, I think if I had to give a quick version of what's out there as far as data is concerned, consumption of green leafy vegetables, for example, seems to be very helpful. And it's like unanimous results that you see across different studies. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, they stand out, whether it's the Mayan diet or the Mediterranean diet or even in the Adventist Health Study, because these are foods that have the highest amount of anti-inflammatories. Spices like turmeric. We actually wrote a paper when we were in Cedars-Sinai where we gave our patients high doses of turmeric, and turmeric seems to have the curcumin part of it is a very potent anti-inflammatory, and it seems to bind with amyloid, which is the bad protein associated with Alzheimer's disease, and it removes it.
Oh, wow.
And we measured the amount of amyloid, the amyloid load in retina, and after giving them high amounts of turmeric, we actually saw the turmeric binding to the amyloid in the retina, which is really, really interesting, and we're learning more about it as we speak. So high fiber green leafy vegetables and berries and spices, especially turmeric, seems to be on the top.
Chia and flaxseed.
Chia and flaxseed, which are amazing sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, hemp seeds, nuts like walnuts, whole grains. They seem to have the right kind of micronutrients, whether it's thiamine or riboflavin or folic acid, bound beautifully synergistically, supporting each other's absorbance and bioavailability. They all tend to reduce the risk for Alzheimer's disease. And we have studies that have looked at individual foods and risk of Alzheimer's disease and the combination thereof too.